Today I'm going to be making Blender coconut pie. This recipe came from my mother many years ago. I'm going to start off with 2 cups of milk, 3/4 cup of sugar, half a cup of Bisquick, 4 eggs, 1/4 cup of butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and a cup of coconut. I'm going to put these all into the blender and we'll see how it comes out shortly. I've already greased a 9-inch pie plate. And now I'm going to blend this for 5 minutes on low. Okay, it's been just about the right amount of time. I'm now going to pour it into the 9-inch pie plate carefully. Now we're going to let that rest for 5 minutes, and then I'll put some coconut on the top of it. Okay, it's been 40 minutes. Let's see what we got here. Well, that looks good. Okay. There you go. I'm just going to bring it over and let it cool. Okay, the Blender coconut custard pie has now cooled and I'm about ready to slice it. From the kitchen of Dan Hovey.